Look at this. We're down sharply on the Dow Industrials. We're off more than 1%. That's a 275-point drop right there. Tech stocks, they are huge losers today. Will you look at Amazon down $68, Microsoft down too, Apple's down, Alphabet is down, and Facebook is down another $3, $3.71 to be precise. Bring in Fox News contributor Scott Martin. All right, we've got an overall downside move. I say it's largely because of this, the technology sell-off. Do you think it's got anything to do with the China imposing tariffs on 128 American products?
I do to some degree, Stuart. You know, the overall market malaise has spread to many areas. You're seeing a lot of sellers pile on. I mean, I hate to do this again, but I've got to channel my inner Lloyd Bridges and say it looks like I picked the wrong week to quit smoking, because I'll tell you what, I mean, this is a bad start to what seemed to be maybe a rebound nicely in tech towards the end of last week. So to me, we're going to see this continued kind of back and forth in the tech sector until all these weak hands are washed out.
Well, we're down 300 on the Dow Industrials right now, and the Nasdaq is down well over 100 points. A serious drop here. Let me go through them one at a time. First of all, Tesla. Lots of talk that this thing just might collapse, and that's the word that's being used. What's your read on Tesla? Down 7.9% as we speak.
Yeah, Tesla's a rough one here, and, you know, the bankruptcy name has been thrown out there, too, with respect to the company. Stuart, you know, Tesla, to me, is an idea, of course. It's a technology, and it's Elon Musk. And I think two of those things are good. You know, the technology, though, is a concern now because we had this crash in San Francisco a couple weeks ago. I'm not as concerned about the recall of the power steering, but this crash in San Francisco on the 101 is interesting, where it killed a poor fellow, and it was regarding the self-driving mechanism in the car that pulled him into the barrier, which he had complained about, supposedly. So behind Tesla is that self-driving mechanism, the technology. If that is not working, if that is dangerous to people driving the cars, that's a reason to be worried about the stock.
Talk to me about Amazon. Has it reached a point where it's worth buying yet? President Trump's been tweeting about it several times over the weekend and again this morning. And look at it now. Amazon is down 5%, $73. At what point do you say it might be worth a buy?
Any moment now, you know, especially in the low 1300s. There's some important levels down here. You know, I disagree with Trump. I've agreed with him on a lot of the economic policies and statements he's put in place so far, Stuart. But I disagree on his take on Amazon. You know, this could be something more between him and CEO Jeff Bezos. But the reality is, Amazon, I think, is going to be fine here. I don't think there's a lot that Trump and the administration can do to them. To me, this is not an antitrust issue. And there's a reason to buy Amazon here, especially if it falls lower into the low 1300s, which is where my target is to pick up some more.
In the lower 1300s, you'd be a buyer at that point. Scott Martin, it's a difficult day, but thanks for joining us, sir. Always obliged to you. Thank you very much.
See ya.